I did my base already, and then I don't think I talked in that video, but I might do a voiceover. So I used Parrot Polish, of course, beautiful, and I got Montana Moon on in Catalina Sunset. I did like an aura mani, so pretty. And then today, or right now, I'm going to use a CJS C-31. It's a Christmas plate. However, it's more wintry, and I absolutely adore this plate. I don't know if I've used it before. I think I have. So anyways, I'm using this today. Super, super cute. Look at the little mice. I love it so much. And the birdies. Okay, so let's get started. So first up, I'm coining. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do like a scene on a nail. Kind of like my thumb. It's so cute. So I'm going to do that first. So I'm not going to put any latex on yet, but I'm going to do the houses and the little snow. So for the houses, I'm going to kind of stick with purple. I'm going to use 263. So I'm going to apply that, and I got the winter stamper. I freaking love it. Got my sticky pad on the side. Alright, so going to apply it to the houses like this, and then scrape, of course, and pick up, get all the extra stuff. And I'm going to do this one on my ring finger. So I'm going to put the houses like here in the back, just like this. Make sure it stayed down. Alright, and then right below that are the lights for the house. So I'm going to use N10, which is neon. So just a bright yellow. And my brush is messed up somehow. I don't know why. So it looks kind of funny, but it works perfectly fine. So just putting the lid on. And then scraping that. And getting in. And I always use the sticky pad to get off the extra, or my nail from my other hand because I just wipe it off. So then we want that one here, like that. This one goes here, and then I think I'm going to do the big one there. So there we go. There's our houses. Alright, so then here's some snow. And it looks like this on the card, just some like little snow flurries. So I'm going to use 127, just this really light blue. It's so pretty and perfect. So applying it here, and I'm going to do it 2 times just to get some extra little flakes at the bottom. So it goes all the way down just to get a little more, because it's like a little bit. So I just want a little bit more. So there it is. So you can kind of see like a couple little flakes. So I'm just going to do, I'm going to clean this off. And then clean the plate. And what I mean is just get these littler ones down here. And then scrape that, and then of course just clean off what we don't want, and then I'm gonna just go here and just put those little extra ones on. It's just for me because I like looking at it. It's pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this girl image holding a little bird, which is this one here. It's absolutely freaking adorable. I love it so much. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the little bird. So first up is her leg, hair, and I think her bangs. Yeah. So you can put like, I'm just gonna do dark brown, so number 31. And then for this one, I did a lighter color. I did 117 for that one. So you can see on there. I might like the other one better. Who knows? Okay, So this is the first one here. Get that. And then just going to put it here because we need her little boots. So there's that. So for her hat, her boots, and the little bottom of her jacket, I'm going to do 103. I am going to double stamp this one because it's a little bit lighter. It's only one stamp here. And it still shows up really good, but I'm going to double it just to make it stand out a tiny bit more. So there's that one. And we got that line there, but I might be able to get it. So let's see. This looks like dried polish. Okay. So then this is going to go, the little boot goes on the bottom, and then her jacket, the hair, and the bangs. So just like this. And then I'm going to double stamp that. So next is the little ball to her hat, her face, and her hand. So I'm going to do 2 colors for this one. You can do it all one color or change it. So for the little ball on top, I'm going to do number 2, which is white. So that's the little ball there. And then I grabbed 262, this like lighter skin tone, for her face and her hand. And then if you just scrape sideways so they don't blend, and then pick that up, you'll get the 2. And then you got her ball on her head, her little face goes there, and then her hand out to the side. So it's kind of hard to see. You'll see it all in the outline, but that's her hand, her face, her bangs, the little ball. So almost there. All right, let's see. Let's clean this. I think we need to get it wet. So now it's her jacket and the little stripes on her pants. So I'm going to do 65, this like peachy color. Thought it was really cute with the shimmery. So there we go. Cleaning off the extra. And then this one just fits right in there. So you got her little leg, her jacket, and then her hand. So just goes right here in between. And actually, yeah, I was gonna say I'm gonna restamp it, but no, I like it and it came out good. So there's that. She's just standing there, so cute. So last is the outline and then the little bird. So I did the outline in black to make it stand out like really good. So this is number 1. And I'm just going to get this, and then I'll do the bird after, or you can do it in this one and stamp it like 2 times. So there she is, so cute. And then you're just going to line up. So her little boots, her hair, her hat, her hand. So let's see. I'm gonna go this way first. And then like this. And her little bangs. It's so cute. So I'm gonna put a little white bird just so we can see it. There. And that goes right in her hand. So it's just sitting in her hand like this. Super cute. And you can always do it another color, which actually I think I'm going to. So what color? Ooh, what is this? Look at this. It's like a sparkly. We'll do 126 over it and see what it looks like. give it some sparkle. I need to mix it though. I wish these fit in my nail polish shaker. I need to find a way to do that. Okay, so there's that. And oh, it's so cute. It's gonna make it glittery. Okay, so put it right on top. So it just made it a little glittery. If you can see it, it's so cute. So there's one nail. So my next nail, I'm going to do the snow again. So 127, like this. Only I'm going to turn it upside down. So then the snow is kind of full on the bottom. And then kind of just floats up like this. And then I'm going to do this little bird right there. All the little birds are here. I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to do white first. So here's this one. And scrape that. So there we go. Need to get the extra. And then I'm just going to put it right here, kind of in that empty spot with the snow. And then the second layer is right here. It's like the little stomach area and some little dots. So I think I'm going to do, what color? We'll do 65 because I want to stick with like the same colors. And then the outline black to make it stand out. So we'll do this one. And then that just goes in the little cutout in the stomach right there. So simple. And then we need the outline. So just cleaning it and grabbing the black. And that has like the little feet, the little eyes, and everything you need on it to pull it together. That's like what I like about these plates too, because like I didn't line some stuff up all the way, but I still love it because it just gives it like a different kind of style. So even when I do line up perfectly, I'm like, holy crap, I lined it up perfectly for once. And then like when I don't, I'm still completely happy with it because it's just like, I don't know, a different little style. So even if you don't line up, it's okay. I think it still turns out freaking amazing. So there's the bird and then the little girl. So those two nails are done. So I think I'm going to do these ones because I really like, although these are super cute too, but I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to keep it with the 65 for this first one here. And then scraping that, picking up. And I'm going to do it on this nail. So just going down like this. And then we need to get the second one. And then for the second layer, I'm going to do 65, which is that pretty, never mind. That was the first one. How funny. Here we go. 103 is the pretty shimmer one. That's funny because I had it right in front of me. Okay. So then we want to get this like that. And I grabbed this to pick it up. So yeah, that's cool. That's going to be dried. How funny. Okay. So we're just going to do that again. Let me clean it off. Because that one has like little tiny shimmery pieces. So I don't want it to get stuck. Don't need that much because my nail is short. But that's alright. And then this just goes in between. I wonder if I should do a different color actually. Ooh, you know what? The blue would be good. But this came out so nice. Should I do blue? Oh. Blue. Let's see. Oh, I'm so confused. I really like this one. I'll do blue. But, oh, look at how pretty that is. Okay. Change my mind. Okay, So then I'm going to do 127. The light blue that we've been doing the snow. Because those colors are kind of alike. That's why I did the clothes and stuff, that color. But for this image, I think it'd be nice with a different color. So, just going in between. Oh yeah, I like that. I think that came out super cute. Okay, and then so for my pinky, I'm going to do, because I like these little swirlies, so I think I'm running out of this one. So I'm going to do 127, the blue, grab that, but I'm only, see I'm going to do that again because it didn't pick up that well. I mean it picked up, but there was like a lot of empty pieces, so let me get a new one. And then mix this and reapply, making sure I'm getting those top pieces. I was gonna say something and I completely forgot to, so hopefully that comes to me. And since I like these ones down here and that top one is still kind of not the best, I'm just going to use these. So, wait. I'm just gonna, okay, no, you know what? I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so what is that, like third time or something? I'm just going to get these because I like these bottom ones. And then on my pinky, I'm just gonna do like the top right there. And then go in for the other one. So then I'm going to use 65 for this one. And I definitely think that was harder because the polish is getting empty or less. So, alright. And then for this, I just want it, I wonder if I should put it on the top. I like the bottom. Ooh, you know what? Let's see. Get this middle piece out. I wonder if that's enough room. Okay, so we'll do the top like that, and then just barely on the bottom. So then it's just like this. Alright, so I grabbed the Smear Not top coat from Clear Jelly, and I'm just going to apply that to all of my nails. Alright, so here is the finished design. I hope you like, because I super love, here's the thumb. I always usually make my thumb match my ring finger, so that's just a little tip there. If you don't know what to do with your thumb, just make it match your ring finger. So if you need help with anything on this plate, or any other one, let me know. I almost did the 3 little mice, which I actually might still do because I love them so much. And again, this is CJS C-31, and I love it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I didn't bore you too much. So, anyways, I will see you on the next video.